This is the Meta3S. When students put on the Meta3S, they're going to need to turn on the headset. There's a little button on the left-hand side. They can just click that to turn it on. First thing they're going to want to do is adjust the headset straps. If you pull these head straps apart, it'll make it tighter. If you pull them together, it will make it looser. There is a strap on the top with Velcro, but you typically don't need to adjust that. If students wear glasses, they are able to wear glasses with these headsets. Underneath the right eye, there is also a volume button for them to adjust the volume. Wake up our headset. We're going to point our palm toward our face and tap our index finger and thumb. Turn our hand toward the screen and it becomes our mouse. Hold your hand out in front of you and use your index finger and thumb, clicking them together to open the YouTube app. When YouTube opens, navigate to the magnifying glass at the top of the screen, pinch, and we like to select the Diction microphone button and say Warwick Tech Coaches to search for the YouTube channel. Warwick Tech Coaches. Select the Warwick Tech Coaches channel and navigate to the playlists at the top of the screen. This is where you'll be able to find all of the content uploaded to the Warwick Tech Coaches channel. Click on that content and you'll see the entire playlist. Use your thumb and index finger to pinch the screen. Click the play button to resume your 360 video. To pause your video, hold your hand in front of your screen and pinch your index finger and thumb. This opens up the toolbar where you can pinch the pause button. Navigate playlists on the right side of your screen by pinching your thumb and index finger together and holding them together while you drag.